We strongly advise you not to keep watching unless you're ready to face an astonishing truth. You thought cameras could only work in normal weather? Think again. Introducing the game-changing, extreme environment-ready surveillance powerhouse, the ACTi extended temperature cameras. First, let's talk about ultra-low temperature startup. The ACTi extended temperature camera operates reliably at a chilling -40 degrees Celsius. Perfect for cold storage warehouses, icy highways, and remote power towers. Second, it's built to handle scorching heat up to +60 degrees Celsius. Whether it's boiler rooms, substations, or tunnels, this camera stays cool under pressure. Third, corrosion-proof and explosion-proof high-resolution models are available. With reinforced steel housing, they're engineered for chemical plants, gas valve sites, and hazardous fuel depots. Fourth, forget 4K, this beast goes up to 20MP resolution, capturing every screw, label, or face in crisp clarity. Ideal for production lines and high-traffic intersections. Fifth, the 40x optical zoom empowers remote inspections without losing a pixel. From distant slopes to high towers, you'll see it all crystal clear. Sixth, infrared distance extends to a massive 250 meters. For pitch-black sites like construction zones or plant perimeters, visibility is never compromised. Seventh, under 2MP mode, it delivers an incredible 120 frames per second, capturing fast-moving production lines, speeding traffic, and critical utility operations in real-time precision. Eighth, built-in AI analytics provide real-time detection, classification, and recognition of people and vehicles. From factory gates to utility checkpoints, smart monitoring just got smarter. Contact ACTi to see how the extended temperature cameras can revolutionize surveillance in your factory, traffic hub, or utility site. This is your chance to achieve all-weather, all-condition security at a fraction of the cost. Don't miss out.